Okay, so the error messages has something to do with the um, Numpy. So working with Numpy in ArcGIS. So numerical Python Numpy is a fundamental package for scientific computing in Python. So including support for powerful n-dimensional array objects. So Numpy provides an additional um, provides an avenue to perform complex numerical operations and has been part of the ArcGIS software installation since 9.2. For more information, here is this website, and I do have it open. So, a Python NumPy array is designed to deal with large arrays. So, that's why the error messages. So, how to import NumPy to Python shell? That we have to put the path. Here it didn't say much. Install, we might not have it install. The only thing, so this is powerful. This is just from numpy.org, numerical pi. It's right here. From the menu, we did was setting, and we went to the environmental variable and environmental variable. So then we have to restart. So it was at control panel, and it was environmental. It has to do with the account. Let's see, where is the account? User accounts. So, and then you manage the change my environmental variables. It's right here. So for the path, we do have to load the Python. So it's right here, packages. And it's right here. So Python path. That's the only thing. That's how I always get the error messages. It's from the Python path. Okay, cool. All right, and then you restart your computer. And now, perfect thing is now click OK, and now everything is okay. And I click apply. I'm back to here, except here I need to change it in. So let's see, what was the issue here? Okay. Luckily, we practice everything, and we replace. We want to replace this owner name. Replace etux, not s, etux, and with an and. Click apply. Click OK, and now everything changing into and. That's the one we want to have. Stephen, Elizabeth, Ryan, and now we did it. And we don't have to save everything. I can just close it out. Okay, return the name. Okay. Okay, no need to change it. And let's do our exercises. So now I can bring my exercises. Python GIS and maps. It's our exercise 1.1. And what I'm gonna do is, if we don't have a PDF, and I will try is replace it. There are two ways to do it, but okay, I need to set. Oh, not this layer. Let's see. It's this layer that I have a subdivision name, and I get advanced, and I go to Python, get advanced. And this one I will say raw name equals subdivision. I don't have to type in. Just double click from here and replace. So once we see the .pdf, and then we will replace with nothing. And remember, 2 places for indentation. 1, 2. Alright, click OK, click apply. Click OK. Something wrong is here. Go to property again. an expression, and advanced. Yeah. So raw name. Oh, return. So return. Remember, we have to do raw name and dot title there, and click OK. Click apply. Click OK. There. Perfect. All right. So that's how we did for subdivision. We want to the name should not have .pdf at the end, and the second one is the name should be upper and lowercase with the first letter for each of the word capitalized. And now we will go to the second one. Alright, close it out, and no need to save it. Oh, that's a lot of things to save. And now I'm going to tutorial 1.2. And now I'm going to do it the same way. We will start with a loop right now. So now it's expression and advanced and Python advanced, and I will do 2 space zone code equals to just code. Click OK, click apply, click OK. And now we will construct the if statement. So we will do step by step, and then we will have to see and learn about that. All right. So the if statement, and I will put some slides together to explain a little bit for the if and run some in Python. Okay. Expression. Right now we do have this is saved for us, and zone code, and I'm going to delete return code, and I will have 1 2. So if zone code equals to C and semicolon 1 2 return, actually it should be 4. 1 2 3 4, and I will return, okay, commercial, and then 1 2 if zone code equals to I, remember the column 1 2 3 4, return industrial. Alright, we will continue. We have an industrial and if 1 2 if zone code equals to mf, and then 1 2 3 4 return, it will be multi family, and 1 2 if zone code equals to res, and then we 1 2 3 4 return residential. Okay, and then 1 2 else 1 2 3 4 return special district, and we're going to click OK. Alright, line 7, arrow line, stream line 7. Okay, go back 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Alright, if zone code equals okay, so now we add the rest of the code to each of the remaining conditions. Remember that the last line can be an else statement with a no condition. And we try it from the notes first before looking at the code. So we make sure to watch the case on variables. Use the evaluator. We put a column at the end of each line with an if. So, oh, yeah, I didn't have a column here. That's why I click OK, click Apply, and now it worked. So now we can see commercial, commercial multi, something, something. All right, if we have an issue, we go back to, go over the code and pay particular attention to the things noted in here. So, evaluator, we put a column at the end of each line with an if, else, or else statement, but not after the return statement. So, and we have to do the indentation carefully. So, which I did, which I forgot one column. But now we will see that the code has returned the zoning code into a more, oh no, check, into a more, the zoning code into a more descriptive label. It is important to remember that these labels are generated on the fly and used for this map only. These labels are not stored anywhere in the attribute table. So, that's interesting. And now we're going to do our code for the exercise 1.2. So go back to maps, and 1.2 is right here. So the other map turned out so well at the planner wants a similar map for the comprehensive land development data. We open the map document here and use Python code in the label expression to turn the following use code value into descriptive text. So, and of course I will use the format and right click on here, go to property, and then use expression and use code, check advanced and Python, and now advanced. Okay, Python advanced. Okay, so now use this, and I will say want to zone code equals to use code, and that I will have special text district, Texas district. So, special district. So let's see which one is special district. Special district. Okay, special district. Other than that, it's special district. All right. Okay. Special district. Else. Special district. Okay, what I will do, it's the same thing. Oh, shoot. Okay. All right. Use code, and then 1, 2. If zone code equals to A1 column 1, 2, 3, 4 return. So A1 we will have single family, and then 1, 2 if zone code equals to B2 column 1, 2, 3, 4 return. We will have a multi-family. Okay, and 1, 2 if not capitalized, zone code equals to F1 column 1, 2, 3, 4 return. We will return commercial, and 1, 2 if zone code equals to, I have industrial, and column 1, 2, 3, 4 return, oopsies, industrial F2. This is F2. Return will be return, then I have